Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Renault's compact European crossover, the Captur. From its humble beginnings in 2013 at the Geneva Motor Show to its current second generation on the assembly line, the Captur has certainly evolved. But what's in store for its upcoming facelift? Stick around as we unveil the patent images and explore the anticipated changes in this highly anticipated restyling. The Captur, built on the B0 platform, made its debut in 2013, sharing its foundation with the Clio hatchback. Notably, the Captur variant specifically tailored for the Russian market emerged in 2016. While visually similar to its European counterpart, the Russian model is technically a different car, riding on the CMF-B platform. Fast forward to today, and the second-generation Captur, introduced in 2019, is gearing up for a planned restyling. The most significant changes are set to grace the front of the Captur, giving it a brand new face that aligns with the current angular style of the company. Drawing inspiration from the recently unveiled electric crossover Scenic, the restyled Captur boasts fresh headlights, a striking horizontal insert, and a revamped front bumper with various sized holes and a narrow slot. The hood undergoes a transformation, becoming almost flat, while the fenders remain a consistent element. Moving to the rear, minimal changes are anticipated, primarily focusing on slight modifications to the plastic trim at the bottom of the bumper. Keep an eye out for new company logos that might make their debut with this updated model. Under the hood, the second-generation Renault Captur, built on the CMF-B platform, currently offers a range of gasoline engines on the European market. From the base model with a 1.0 TCE turbocharged engine, 90 horsepower, to a mild hybrid featuring a turbocharged four-cylinder 1.3 TCE, 140 or 160 horsepower, and a rechargeable HEV with a naturally aspirated 1.6, total output 145 horsepower, there's something for every driver. Additionally, an option with a 1.0 gas engine is available, with all versions equipped with front-wheel drive. As for the engine range in the facelift model, details are still under wraps. However, considering the current lineup's versatility, we can expect an array of powertrain options to cater to different preferences. The eagerly awaited premiere of the updated Captur might be just around the corner, possibly happening before the end of this year. So, buckle up, gearheads, as we eagerly await the unveiling of the revamped Renault Captur and the exciting changes it brings to the table. If you found this sneak peek into the upcoming Renault Captur facelift intriguing, make sure to subscribe for more exclusive updates. Hit the like button if you're ready to witness the evolution of this compact crossover, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who share your passion for all things automotive. Until next time, stay tuned for the latest in the world of cars.